Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Baseball Freak 075 bringing you guys another video here today, and got something fun planned for you guys here today. Got a box of Topps Bowman Platinum, 2 autographs guaranteed in every box, as you can see. 2019 edition. We have Shohei Ohtani, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., and this is also Fernando Tatis's rookie season. So I'm hoping to get a Tatis autograph, but we'll see what we can get. This cost me $195 with a $5 gift count discount, code. It was, $200, but I got it for $195. So yeah, I don't know exactly what the odds are and how many packs are in the box, but we will find out. But yeah, you guys can pause it if you want, and you can check the back. See if you can read that. I apologize. I bought a camera. I bought a camera and a tripod, all that fun stuff. And for whatever reason, I was trying to look at cards and stuff with it earlier, and it wouldn't focus on the cards. So yeah. But anyways, without further ado, we're going to be getting into it. I'm going to try to show you guys, what I'm going to do, and try to show it to you guys the best way I can, but I don't know 100%. I'm going to be using gloves for this. I know, Fernando Tatis cards are pretty pricey. If I get any of these cards, they could be worth a decent amount of money. So just in case I do pull something, go ahead and put these gloves on, because the difference between a 9.5 out of 10 and a 10 is thousands of dollars usually. And I'm not saying I'll pull anything crazy like that, but you never know. So better safe than sorry. Put these gloves on. And yeah, we're going to get into it. So, you guys can see, box right here. We're going to open it with my knife. Really wish, my camera worked right, so it'd be so much easier to show you guys that way. And again, there's 2 guaranteed autographs in each box, so hopefully we can hit something good. 20 packs in a box. Alright. This is what a pack looks like. Get this little thing on the back. Hopefully you guys can read that. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, let's get into it. Really excited about this. Alright, first off we got Joe Adele. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Is that his rookie card? I think it is. Then we have Kyle Lewis. Or Royce Lewis, excuse me. Hey, got a Christian Yelich. Don't know exactly. I think it's an insert. Looks like it. Nolan Arenado, the new St. Louis Cardinal, and Chris Sale. So, nothing too crazy in that first pack, but it should only get better as we go. Trying to be really careful. This. Alright. Andres Munoz, don't know who that is. Ryan Weathers. Austin Dean rookie card. Got good old Kutch, and finally got a Mike Trout. Wish it was autographed. Wish it was autographed. So far, the Joe Adele's probably the best thing we got, I would say. This one feels a little thicker. I don't know if that's just how it is or what. Alright, Owen Miller. Christian Javier. Trying to do this a little bit. Ooh, is that a Bo Bichette? It is. It's a cracked ice Bo Bichette. That's a nice card. That is a really nice card. Eric Hosmer and Andrew Benintendi, who is on the Royals now. So if we can get any of these big, named rookies, like any big name rookie autographs, I'm going to be happy. I mean, of course I want Tatis, but, I'm not going to be disappointed with the Bo Bichette or Vladdy Jr., or, anything like that. Starting it off with Jonathan India. Never heard of that guy. Alex Royalty. That's a good last name. Ooh, we got a Pete Alonso rookie card. That's not too bad. And the man that bats .247 every season, Chris Davis. And Ryan Barucki? Something like that. You got him. Rookie card. Nice. And again, I do apologize, guys. It's really hard to try to get all this, on the camera. I bought one specifically for this, and of course it, it was just giving me trouble. So, it's just how it goes. Alright, cash case. And you guys, we'll know what, the hit is each time, because I'm going to show it, right here, so I can only see the very back card. So, when we get a hit, I'll know it together, and our first hit is Yasnel Diaz of, the Baltimore Orioles. Alright, not too bad. And we do have a Walker Buehler card. Okay, try to set that to the side. And then finally we have a Rhys Hoskins. This pack is one that gives me a lot of trouble. I don't know why. Alright. Logan Gibbert. Victor Mesa Jr. Ooh, who's this? Ryan O'Hearn. Renowned Rookies. That's a cool insert. And Mookie Betts in his final year as a Red Sox, and Joe Blackman. So hopefully for our next autograph we can get big hit. That's what we want. Alright, Alec Thomas. And that is Adam Wolf. Christian Yelich, Rowdy Tellez, rookie card, and now Kyle Tucker rookie card. So, I mean, at least we're getting a lot of, decent rookie cards. That's the one good thing, because this rookie class is pretty stacked, in my opinion. That is Eli Morgan. Is that Luis Robert? That's a good one. I'm gonna set that over here with the autograph. That's probably pretty nice. Prastomatic Prodigies. Tristan Casas. That's pretty cool. I love the cracked ice look. We got a Corey Seager, and then finally Yadier Molina. Matt Mercer is our first card. Devi Garcia. Ooh, a numbered Nolan Gorman to 250. That's nice. Not going to complain about that. 188 out of 250. Not going to complain about that at all. I pulled a 1-of-1 Nolan Gorman a couple years ago, and I sold it for like $300. I probably should have kept it, but I was, I think still in high school at the time, or right out of it, and I needed money, so I had to sell it. Jose Barrios and Miguel Andujar. But definitely a nice card to add to my collection. Numbered Nolan Gorman. Rookie card. Definitely for the people that like to finish the rainbows and stuff, that'll be definitely nice. But I'm probably just going to keep it. Tyler Widener. It's quite the name. Josiah Gray. Never heard of him. Renowned rookies. Is this Colby Allard? Yes, it is. Austin Meadows. And JD Martinez. Expect JD Martinez to have a bounce back season this season. He's just too good of a hitter to not. I don't know what the. You can't really pin like people not doing that good on a 60-game season, or at least I don't take that in really account. But I think JD Martinez is going to bounce back and have another solid year for the Red Sox. He's way too good of a hitter to not. All right, Brady Singer. Luis Garcia, one of the Nationals' top prospects. Matt Chapman. Shohei Ohtani. I like that. And Trey Mancini. And this isn't Shohei Ohtani's rookie card, but it's, still nice. I'd like to get a Vladdy Jr. Or I'd really like to get a Tatis, but we haven't seen that. Maybe they're saving that big autograph for us. You never know. Probably not. Would be nice to see. Suli Matas is the first card. And then we have Nick Madrigal. Ooh, what's this? This is Jacob deGrom, Platinum Presence. It's a really cool looking card. And I'll show you guys all the hits and stuff like pretty decently like at the end. And then we got the best 2 first basemen in the National League Central, Rizzo and Goldie. Don't want to, alright, excuse me, can't be too careful is what I was going to try to say. Alright, Duris Valdez. Then we have Isan Diaz again, or Yunacil Diaz. And then Prismatic Prodigies, we have Corey Ray, never heard of him. Aaron Nola, and Max Muncy. So, we did get that, Yasan Diaz autograph, and we got a Luis Robert card, and we got the numbered Nolan Gorman, which I'm pretty excited about that, not gonna lie. Alright. Griffin Canning is our first card. Then we have Brewer Hicklin. Ooh, Eloy Jimenez, that would have been a good one to pull. And Jose Abreu. And there's still one more. I'm going to put the Eloy in here. It's a really good card. And finally, Giancarlo Stanton. Sean Murphy. Ronnie Macario. Rookie Phenom, a renowned rookie, Chance Adams, Rafael Devers, and a Ryan O'Hearn rookie card. Alright, this one feels thicker, so maybe there's something in here? I don't know. Sometimes they just, I don't know, for whatever reason, they just feel a little different. Alright. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this name. Josh, we'll just call him. Matt Verling. And then our second autograph is Owen White of the Rangers. Alright, we have Cedric Mullins on the Orioles. And Starling Marte. So, autograph-wise, that's really disappointing. Just 2 base. And they're not even, like, on card. They're base and they're, sticker autos. That's really disappointing for the amount that I paid for this. So, I don't know if I'm going to be ever buying Bowman Platinum again. That's, I'm sorry, that's not very good in my mind. Griffin Koenig. Diego Cartala, Corbin Burns rookie card, Alex Bregman, and good old Albert Pujols. Huh. I can't believe they don't give you on-card autos for the price that you paid for this. I assumed they were all on-card. I didn't think they did sticker autos. I don't know. Jordan Adams, Jose Azocar, Prismatic Prodigies, Joey Bart, Zach Greinke, and then finally we have Dakota Hudson's rookie card. Alright, so just 2 packs. Still haven't got a Fernando Tatis, even like base, like what? That really irritates me. Open up 20 packs and you, well, we have a couple left, but still, like, come on. Tristan Casas again. Jared Kelenic, that's pretty good. That's a really good card, actually. Michael Kopech. Jacob deGrom. And Jose Ramirez. And then this is going to be our final pack. Where's that Fernando Tatis Jr. Numbered to 5 refractor or superfractor or whatever? Something. Come on. Alright. Tommy, Romeo, whatever. Hunter Green. Ramon Laureano, renowned rookies. Yasiel Puig. And Miguel Cabrera. And I'll recap the cards that I thought were, you know, kind of okay. We got Michael Kopech's rookie card. Jared Kelenic. I don't know if it's not his rookie card, but one of his, you know, first cards. Owen White. Auto. Eloy Jimenez rookie card. My favorite card that I pulled, definitely, this Nolan Gorman, numbered to 250. Luis Robert. And Gunzanil Diaz, sticker auto. So, honestly, pretty disappointing. But, it is what it is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and we took an L on this one. But that's okay. hopefully we'll get something better next time. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And we'll have some MLB The Show content coming out for you real soon. It's dropping out next month. So in about like 30 days or so time, we're going to be having videos out, pretty frequently on this channel. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So see you guys on the next one. Take it easy. Have a good one. Peace out.